Tired of messy kitchens and spoiled food? In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 best food storage containers on Amazon to keep your food fresh, organized, and leak-free. Whether you're a home cook, fitness fan, or tech lover, these smart storage solutions will upgrade your kitchen instantly. Let's find the perfect one for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Rubbermaid Brilliant Set. The Rubbermaid Brilliant Set is one of the most premium food storage container options available on Amazon, designed for long-lasting freshness and convenience. Made from high-quality BPA-free Triton plastic, these containers are crystal clear, allowing you to easily see what's inside without opening the lid. The airtight and leak-proof seal ensures that liquids like soups, sauces, and juices stay secure without spilling. These containers are also stain-resistant and odor-proof, so they maintain a clean look even after repeated use. They're safe for microwave, freezer, and dishwasher use, making them extremely versatile for everyday kitchen tasks. Whether you're storing leftovers, prepping meals, or organizing your fridge, this set offers both durability and style. Anyone looking for reliable, high-performance food storage containers, Rubbermaid Brilliance is a smart investment. OXO Pop Containers. OXO Pop Containers are a must-have for anyone who wants a clean, organized, and efficient kitchen. These containers are specially designed for dry food storage, including rice, pasta, cereal, flour, and snacks. The standout feature is the push-button airtight seal, which keeps food fresh for longer periods while making the containers easy to open and close. The stackable design helps maximize pantry space, making your kitchen look neat and clutter-free. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these containers are built to last and are very easy to maintain. The clear body allows you to quickly identify contents, saving time during cooking. If you love organization and want a professional-looking pantry setup, OXO Pop Containers are an excellent choice that combines style, functionality, and long-term performance in one package. V-Top Mart Airtight Set. The V-Top Mart Airtight Food Storage Container Set is an excellent budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. This versatile set includes multiple container sizes, making it perfect for storing a variety of food items, such as flour, sugar, snacks, pasta, and cereals. Each container comes with a secure, airtight lid that helps preserve freshness and protect food from moisture and pests. Made from BPA-free plastic, these containers are safe for everyday use and are easy to clean. The set also includes reusable labels, allowing you to organize your pantry efficiently and keep track of contents. Their stackable design saves valuable kitchen space while maintaining a clean look. If you're looking for affordable, reliable, and stylish food storage containers, V-Top Mart offers a complete solution for modern kitchens and organized lifestyles. Snapware Pyrex Set. Snapware Pyrex food storage containers are perfect for those who prefer glass over plastic for food safety and durability. Made with high-quality Pyrex glass, these containers are resistant to stains and odors, ensuring your food always tastes fresh. They're safe for use in the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making them extremely versatile for cooking, storing, and reheating meals. The snap-lock lids create an airtight and leak-proof seal, preventing spills and maintaining freshness for longer periods. These containers are ideal for meal prep, leftovers, and even baking storage. The transparent glass design allows you to see contents easily, while the sturdy construction ensures long-term use. If you want a premium, eco-friendly, and durable food storage solution, Snapware Pyrex is a top choice for any modern kitchen. Freshware Meal Prep Set. Freshware meal prep containers are the perfect solution for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, and anyone who wants to maintain a healthy eating routine. These containers are made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring safe food storage while being lightweight and durable. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them ideal for daily meal prep and on-the-go use. Each container features a tight sealing lid that prevents leaks and keeps food fresh throughout the day. Many of these containers come with multiple compartments, allowing you to separate different food items and maintain portion control. The stackable design helps save space in your fridge or kitchen cabinets. If you're serious about meal prepping and want a convenient, cost-effective food storage solution, Freshware containers are a great choice for maintaining an organized, organized, healthy lifestyle. So, which food storage container is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more awesome product reviews. Check the links in the description for the best deals right now.